Question 9. Explain why the instantaneous rate of change of f of x equals to x square cannot be same at two different values of x. Well, let's look into this graph and then figure it out. So f of x equals to x square will be a curve like this, right? Let's say this is our f of x equals to x square. Now if you draw tangents at different points from positions from left to right, let's say, so we have a tangent here which is negative, right? And then it is less negative. This is very high negative. And here it is even less negative. And I'm purposely not touching it. And here it is kind of zero. Do you see that? And then it becomes positive. So as you move along the curve, it becomes now more and more positive. So what we see is that the slope of the tangent changes, right? From high negative value, right? Low negative, right? To zero, right? To positive and high positive value, right? So all throughout we see that the graph rate of change is increasing as we move from left to right. So there are no 2 points here on the graph with the same instantaneous rate of change. So that is the characteristics of a parabola, fx equals to x square. Even if we transform this function, right, even then this characteristics will remain. So in any parabola you will find that the instantaneous rate of change will never be same at any 2 points, correct? If we have a parabola like minus of x square, it will be kind of like this, right? In that case, it changes from positive 0 to negative values all throughout, right? All throughout the domain of the function. So this is a very interesting observation, and it can be used in many thinking and communication questions. Thank you.